For many people, having a bird is one of the most amazing things on earth. Birds are beautiful, graceful creatures that can be incredibly inspirational. Watching a bird soar through the sky is a truly breathtaking experience. And learning about their unique habits and behaviors is endlessly fascinating. Birds can teach us a lot about nature and the world around us. And they can also provide us with endless hours of entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or just starting out, getting to know these amazing creatures is definitely worth your time. There is nothing quite like the rich and delicious flavor of a chocolate brownie. These treats are perfect for any occasion, and they always seem to hit the spot. Whether you're looking for a dessert to share with friends or something to satisfy your sweet tooth, chocolate brownies are sure to please. Mountains can be a great source of inspiration. They can remind us of our potential, and they can help us push ourselves and achieve new goals. When we're feeling down, mountains can provide us with a sense of perspective and remind us of all the amazing things we have to be grateful for.